Wala pa.
Ber, pupunta sila na area.
Ayan.
Oo.
Okay.
Oo, sakto yan.
Sundukan kami dito.
Uy, patapang. Welcome sa ating 50-50 Papawis Run Rose. And tune up games na muna.
Ano kayo ko? Yan. Masira ko eh.
Hindi, okay lang. Go, start na. James. To Sean. James. Sean. Take it 3. No good. Rebound by Kirk. 2 points. Kirk. Almaza. Yun, may makotso na eh. Nasaan na? Narigo. 2 points. Sino ka? Number 9, Ayo. Ral. Okay. All 2. Yancy. No good. Rebound by number... si ano yan? Jumer. Rebound by Jumer. Tural. Number 16. Tural.
Ano, ilang shot lang?
10 seconds to shoot. Is in by Dexter. Dexter. Out of bounds. Good ball po yan. Good ball.
Akin, sorry. Nahulog talaga yun. Ito kasi.
8 minutes and 54 seconds. Basa.
Basta. Wait lang.
Gamit ko.
Walang pamunas dyan. Ayun.
May pamunas dyan. Ito. Okay na. Score natin. All 2. 8 minutes and 46 seconds. Solid is sponsored by Kenneth Yage and Kirk Pogi. Out of bounds. Good ball. James.
Tuloy-tuloy mo lang.
Dexter wala. Rebound by number 16. Pass to Servat na mamadali. Servat. Spin around. No good. Rebound by. Out of bounds. TV. Ball possession. 8 minutes and 10 seconds remaining on the clock. Shout out sa ating mga bros. Napaka-solid na mga ano natin yan. Sponsored. Third. Pinamatay nila. Steal by Ralph. Run. To steal by Yancy. Pero out of bounds. Bola ng teammate. TV. Score. All 2 pa rin. 7 minutes and 45 seconds.
Pero si
Run. Take it 3. Run.
Pero
5-2 in favor of Team B. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Sean. 10 seconds to shoot. Yancy. Sa ilalim. 7 seconds shot clock. Steal by Ralph. Namamadali. Ralph pa rin. No good. Rebound by James. Ang laki niyan. 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Yancy. Ang haba. 7 minutes and 3 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. 15.
yung malaki yung tulong bago.
James.
Yung mahaba.
To Yancy sa ilalim. Yancy, fall away shot is you. Yancy. 5-4. 1 point lead by Team B. Out of bounds. Bola ng teammate. Shout out kay Loverboy. Mikey, di mo sa ito. Kala ko na-attend eh. Good ball. 6 minutes and 28. Dexter zigzagging his way through. No good rebound by Kirk. White pa rin. 3 seconds to shoot. 1. Good ball. 6 minutes and 17. Still by Sean again. Sean. Sa ilalim. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Ralph. Nirebound na ng sarili kampe. Ralph. Lapas ng number. Block by Yancy. Ang haba niya. Block na ito ay need sa inyo ng advancement. Sa gilid lang. Bibilin. So number 14. Ralph na naman. 2 points. Wow. 7-4. 3-point lead by Team B. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Shoutout sa ating cameraman and sa ating mga pros. Good evening sa inyo. Short number ni White, wala pa rin, rebound by Ray. Binigay kay Sir Pat. Nauna na naman si Ray. 2 points. Ray. Ay, Ralph pala. Ralph. 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Last possession before change. Last possession. Steal by Jumer. Pero nakuha pa rin ni Yancy. Yancy. Change court na po. Change court. Basket. Change court. Basketball. Yancy. Matt. Score. 9-6. 9-6. The slam dunk. 9-6. In favor of Team B. Jumer. Mahaba rin yan. Ray. Wala. Palo apay. Ayo. 2 points. 11-6. Shoutout ang ating batang-bata. Kuya. Debbie. Steal by James all alone, 2 points. James Lota. Ralph Steal. Ralph pa rin, 2 points. Rock. 12-8, 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Third, steal by Ralph. Nauna na naman si Sir Pat. Steal by Sean. To Yancy, wala pa rin. Rebound by Ayok. Steal by Kurt. White. Steal by Ayok. Ayun na Sir Pat. Binigay na Ayok. 2 points. Ayok. Manik 3. Nagiging mo pa James sa ilalim. James 2 points. James Lota. Sorry ka sa?
Hindi, okay lang gago.
3 minutes and 18 seconds. Yung mga next game mo, pwede na po mag-warm up. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. No good. 3 mo 5. Ray. Sir Pat. 19 second shot clock. Tumama sa ring. Out of bounds. Bola ng Team A. Good ball. Sean. Nauna na. Good ball. Good. 15-10. 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Sir Pat taking 3 no good. Rebound by Third. To Sean. Nagmamadali. Ang ganda pasa ko. Dexter 2 points. Dexter Medina. 15-12. Steal by Yancy. Ang ganda pasa kay Dexter sa ilalim. Dexter. Wala pa rin rebound by Jumer. Ralph. Pinapatay ni Yancy. Ralph. Sir Pat. Waraping. Wala pa rin. 2 points, Pat Jersey. Last 2 minutes. 17-12. No good. 2 points. Yancy, Matt. 17-14. 1 minute and 46 seconds. Pat steal. Out of bounds. Bola na. Team B. 1 minute and 35, 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds. Rock, 13 seconds shot clock. Out of bounds is steal by Maat na mamadali. Maat. 2 points.
Boss, ang hingap pindot.
Ay, sorry. Shout out. Kuya.
Ang hingap pindot.
The MVP mo. And shoutout sa kanyang asawa para sa more inspiration. Ayaw.
Hingap pindot. Oh, di ba?
Ay, nagkama na naman. Ayun, okay na. Na-shoot?
Oo, na-shoot kanina eh.
17-16, 1 point lead na lang pala by Team B. Ray, step back shot, no good, rebound by Sean. 17-16, exactly 1 minute.
Nakapag-ensayo na.
Ano shoot? 19-16, 19-18. 19-18, basket by James Lota. 42 seconds. Jumer, Ralph, 15 seconds shot clock. Wala pa na rebound by Pat. Turay, no good rebound by Sean. 27 seconds. Wow. 23 seconds. 20 seconds shot clock. Score 19-18. 1 point lead by Team B. Isa lang po ang alamangan. 23 seconds. 20 seconds shot clock. 20 seconds remaining, 17 seconds shot clock, 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds, 40 seconds, you boys! 12 seconds na lang, shot clock off. Basket by Mahat, 7 seconds, 5, 3, 2, 1. Foul. 5 seconds, 5 seconds.
Ako na pipilang.
5. Ah, 5.
21 na ba?
Ah, 5. Wait lang. Labas muna.
Ito mo yung Team A. Ano, 21 yan?
Then, ano lang, isa lang lamang.
21, 20. 21, 20. 5, 3. Wow, 3 seconds. 3 seconds. 3. 21, 20 ah. 3 seconds. Pag-handok.
Pwede na magpalag ba?
Tuloy na po bilang. 21-20, lamang Team A. 21-20. 3 seconds.
Patay sunod yan.
3, 2, 1. Russell, wala na pong oras. Panalo ang Team A. Shout out sa aking insan. 21-20, what a good game. What a epic comeback by Team A. What a basket by Man. Next game, Team C versus Team D. Si Robby at si Boko. Si Robby, si Boko.
Hindi ka na. Oo, next game ka.
Kayo.
Ay,